Hi there, I'm Dr. Rolanda Fabian, wife, mom, educator, veteran, wellness enthusiast, and I'm also the proud founder of Bright Idea Consulting. I'm passionate about helping you thrive, prioritizing your well being, achieving your breakthroughs, and unlocking your personal potential. Here, we dive into practical tips, inspiring conversations, and transformative strategies to help you navigate life's challenges with confidence and grace. Whether you're looking to strengthen your relationships, practice better self care, or find balance amidst the chaos, you are in the right place. So if you're ready to grow and create the life you always dreamed about, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Now let's dive into today's episode and start building your brighter tomorrow today.
Hey there, friends. It is Dr. Rolanda Fabian, and I want to welcome you back to another episode of Dr. Rolanda's Bright Ideas. Today, we are going to be breaking down some myths. We're breaking down the myth that self-care is selfish, self-care is vain, or self-care is somehow anti-Christian. Okay, I've got to get straight to stirring the pot today because we need to talk about this. I keep hearing it come up, and it just baffles me that people still think this way. Now, I can already hear some of you saying, "Oh, self-care is about bubble baths and it's about pedicures," or other people are saying things like, "Well, self-care, man, that's selfish. I got too many people dependent on me to be talking about some self-care." And then I hear this new group of people saying that self-care is going somehow against the grain of what God has intended for us. Almost like self-care is non-Christian or unchristian behavior. And 1, 2, and 3, all those are myths. They're wrong and they don't align with the Word of God. And I'm going to set the record straight. Today, we're going to break them down one by one, and we're going to get you on the right path so that you don't have to have this guilt about spending time taking care of yourself. You are worthy and you deserve to take care of yourself. In fact, I challenge you to think that, because it's true, taking care of yourself will put you in a better position to take care of everybody else. So myth number 1, self-care is vain. Sis, self-care is not vain. It is nothing vain about taking care of the very temple that God Himself has given you. Neglect is not humility. Stewardship is spiritual. There was a woman that I used to work with, a client I used to have, who wouldn't even buy herself a decent meal, wouldn't take herself out to lunch, not because she couldn't afford it or anything like that, but because she was just too busy taking care of everybody else's needs. She wanted to keep her money so she can be there for whoever else needed it. I'm like, girl, you are starving and you're out here trying to, save up this money to feed a village when you're starving. That's not noble. That is neglecting you, neglecting yourself. Myth number 2 is when you're taking care of yourself, you're being selfish. You know what? The Lord said you need to love yourself as you love your neighbor. He assumed in that you are already loving yourself. If you're running on fumes, what exactly are you giving your neighbor? Leftovers? An attitude, I'm sure. You have to take care of yourself first so you can love your neighbor. And then myth number 3 says that self-care is anti-Christian. Listen, Jesus Himself withdrew and rested and prayed. He wasn't hiding from His purpose. He wasn't avoiding taking care of Himself. He was recharging for His purpose. If the Son of God needed space to rest, what makes you think that we can stay on our grind 24/7? That's not how it works. Self-care is a top priority. These myths, they only stick because women, and particularly women like us, are praised for our self-sacrifice. We're applauded for putting ourselves last. And in church, sacrifice is sometimes mistaught as suffering, But there's a difference between sacrificial love and unnecessary neglect.
Hey there, sorry to interrupt, but I just want to know if you're enjoying the show so far. If you are, this is the perfect time to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on the practical tips and inspiring conversations and our proven strategies where we're showing you how to prioritize yourself, strengthen your relationships, and thrive in every area of your life. Did you know that most of our listeners say these episodes have given them the clarity and tools that they needed to start making real changes? So don't miss out. Subscribe now and stay connected to the community that's all about helping you grow and glow. All right, now let's get back to the show.
And let's be honest, some of us wear our exhaustion like it's a badge of honor. We long for love so much that we can't fathom saying, I am busy, booked, and tired. But sis, this doesn't equal being blessed. That equals being burnt out. Here's the right perspective. This is the truth. Self-care isn't indulgence. It's restoration. It's preparation. The wrong version of self-care, Netflix binges that leave you feeling worse. But the right version of self-care, taking a walk to clear your thoughts, having a nap to catch up on some much needed rest, journaling, going to therapy or getting some coaching, having prayer, setting boundaries. Those are the things that actually restore you and keep you in a position to be able to pour, because you're pouring from overflow and not from depletion. Think of it as tithing your time to your well-being. It's not stealing from your family or sowing into something that you shouldn't be. It's actually pouring into your future, pouring into your family. Schedule your self-care like you schedule all these meetings on your calendar. Schedule your self-care like it's a schedule that you got to keep with God. Make it a non-negotiable. Start small if you need to. 10 minutes of silence. A daily little walk. Say no. Reframe it. This isn't neglecting you. This is equipping me to be able to better love you, to be able to better serve you. This is what we do inside Inner Realm. We spend time dismantling the guilt, we break the cycles, we tell the truth about these myths, and we build rhythms of rest that honor you, that honor God, that honor your family, that honor your future. So, if you've been living on E, empty, and calling it holy, I want to invite you to take a step into a new way of thinking, into a new way of living. Book your burnout breakthrough call today. Let's work together to design a version of self-care that strengthens you so that you can properly love all the people around you, especially yourself. You deserve it. You deserve it, and you deserve it not because you earned it. You deserve it because you're worthy of it. I hope this message lands on your heart. I hope you will hear what I'm saying, and I hope that if that is you who's having trouble prioritizing yourself and taking care of yourself and understanding how truly important and valuable you are, I hope you will take time to just try something new today. Pick up the phone, click the link, get in touch with us. Let us start walking with you through this breakthrough call. You won't regret it, and I can't wait to see you on the other side. Thank you so much for tuning in on this episode, and I wish you nothing but all blessings until we meet again. Take care.
Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed the show and found something inspiring to take with you on your wellness journey. If you're ready to dive deeper and kickstart your journey into well-being, visit mvp.brightideaco.com/free flourish. Take our free training to get you started. And don't forget to check out our store at brightideaco.store, where you'll find a curated list of tools and resources to support your personal growth in your journey. You'll find the links to these in the description and the show notes below. But before you go, be sure to hit subscribe and also tap that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we release new episodes. Well, I can't wait to see you next time. Until then, take care of yourself and keep shining bright.